Hello and welcome to the short market update from 19th to 23rd August 2024. So let's start with the usual world economy. In the world economy, Japan came out with a manufacturing PMI number which rose to 49.5 in the month of August from 49.1 which was in the month of July. Japan's service PMI also grew to 54.0 in the month of August from 53.7 in the month of July. The composite PMI grew to 53 in the month of August from 52.5 in the month of July. So we are seeing a bit of improvement in the manufacturing index manufacturing numbers coming from Japan. On US, Fed Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell in his speech at Jackson Hole said that the time has come for the central bank to start cutting the interest rates. If we look at the US 10-year Treasury bond yield, the 10-year Treasury bond yield has come down to 3.8%. If we look at the markets after receiving this news from the expected news from Jerome Powell, the markets in the last week were in some euphoria and ended in the positive note. With the American market, US market were up by close to 1.4%. The European market was up by 1%. The Asian market was also in the positive. Nikkei was up by 0.4%. Every market had a good recovery in the last week. If we move to the oil prices had also started trading below $80. It's currently at $79.02 a barrel, which is down from by 0.7 from the last week. The gold prices was trading 24 karat gold was trading around 71,780 per 10 grams, up by 0.45%. For the week, FIIs in the Indian market sold close to 1,608 crores worth of equity, whereas DII bought 13,020 crores worth of equity. This week, the FIIs were seen buying towards the end of the week. They had started coming back into the Indian market. So this could be largely supported by in the context that the the interest rate in the US would be cut down. The oil prices have also started coming down, which shows that this liquid money could move into the Indian markets right now. So if we look into the Indian market weekly performance, we see that Sensex was up by 1%, Nifty Bank was up by 0.8%, Nifty Mid Cap was up by 1.5%, Nifty Small Cap was up by 3.48%. On the valuation front, Nifty 50 trailing PE has reached 23.1, above 2 years average and below 5 years average. Nifty Mid Cap 150 trailing PE is at 43.8 at 2 years and 5 years high. Nifty Small Cap 100 trailing PE is now at 29.9, which is near to 2 years high and just above the 5 years average. If we look at the Buffett indicator, the Buffett indicator shows that the index right now is still modestly overvalued. Now we move to the Indian bonds. The Indian 10-year government bond has been now trading at 6.973% of yield. They have been receiving a lot of money from the foreign markets after the injection of the Indian bond into JP Morgan index. The Indian 10-year, the 2 years versus 1 year yield is negative right now, whereas the midterm and the long-term yields are still flat. So that was all from my side. There was not much of the activity that has happened in the last week on the economic front. There were some political things happening in the country. So if you want, do share, subscribe, and like to my channel and video, so you can get the weekly updates on the market. Thank you.